If you're living in America and struggling to save even a single dollar, this video is made for you. No complicated terms, no finance degree needed. Just simple, real steps that actually work. Welcome to Broke to Blessed. Let's get started. Most Americans are one missed paycheck away from losing everything. And nobody taught you how to fix that. Not your school, not your parents, not your job. But in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you the exact 5-step system to start saving money in America, even if you're completely broke right now. Stay till the end, because step 5 is the one that actually changes everything. Step 1. Track every dollar for just 7 days. I know what you're thinking. I already know where my money goes. No, you don't. Nobody does. Studies show that the average American underestimates their spending by over 40%. That means if you think you're spending $500 a month on extras, you're probably spending $700. So here's what you do. For the next 7 days, write down every single purchase. Coffee, gas, groceries, that random Amazon order at 2 a.m. Everything. After 7 days, you will be shocked. And that shock, that's where your savings start. Step 2. Cut your 3 biggest money leaks. Now that you've tracked your spending, you're going to find 3 things bleeding your wallet dry every single month. Number 1, subscriptions. The average American pays for 4 subscriptions they completely forgot about. Netflix, Hulu, gym membership they never use, that app they downloaded once. Go through your bank statement right now. Cancel everything you haven't used in 30 days. Number 2, eating out. That $12 lunch every workday, that's $240 a month, $2,880 a year. Gone. Start meal prepping just 2 days a week. You'll save at least $100 a month instantly. Number 3, impulse buying. That random late-night online shopping, that's not a treat, that's a trap. We'll fix that with step 5. But for now, delete shopping apps from your phone. Just delete them. Step 3. Open a high-yield savings account. Now listen carefully, because this is where most Americans make a huge mistake. They keep their savings in a regular bank account that gives them 0.01% interest. That means if you save $1,000, your bank gives you 10 cents a year. 10 cents. Meanwhile, high-yield savings accounts are giving 4% to 5% interest right now. That same $1,000 gives you $40 to $50 every single year just for keeping your money there. Do nothing, just let it sit. The best part? These accounts are completely free to open. Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ally Bank, SoFi, all free, all online, all FDIC insured. Your money is 100% safe. Open one today. It takes less than 10 minutes. This one change alone can make you hundreds of dollars extra every single year without doing anything different. Step 4. Automate your savings. Here's the truth. Willpower doesn't work with money. Nobody wakes up every month and thinks, let me transfer money to savings today. Life gets busy. Bills come in, and suddenly, savings never happens. So here's the fix. Automate it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your high-yield savings account every single payday. Even if it's just $5. I'm serious. Start with $5. Because here's what happens. You stop seeing that money. You stop missing that money. And slowly you increase it. $5 becomes $20, $20 becomes $50, $50 becomes $100. Before you know it, You have $1,000 sitting in savings and you didn't even feel it leave. The secret isn't saving more, it's saving automatically. Set it up today. Takes 2 minutes, and future you will thank you forever. Step 5. The 24-hour rule. Every single time you want to buy something that's not a necessity, food, rent, bills, you wait 24 hours before buying it. That's it. Sounds too simple, right? Here's the science behind it. Impulse purchases are driven by emotion, not logic. In the moment you see something you want, your brain releases dopamine. You feel excited. You feel like you need it. But 24 hours later, that feeling is gone. And 80% of the time, you won't even want it anymore. The average American spends $314 every single month on impulse purchases. That's $3,768 a year. Just gone. But with the 24-hour rule, you take back control. You become the boss of your money, not the other way around. So next time you're about to check out that cart, close the tab, sleep on it, and watch your savings account explode. And if this video helped you, smash that subscribe button, because every single week I'm dropping real, simple, no fluff money tips that will take you from broke to blessed. I'll see you in the next one.